Marco bought these like carbon fiber, I think they're like hood vents for his Bugeye. So we're gonna head over to his house and just kind of send it. We have to drill, rivet, and cut into his hood. Not really sure how well this is gonna go, but I do have a little bit more experience with this type of stuff because of work. I'm not gonna say I'm great at it, but I have more experience than before I worked at this job. So let's just go see what's up. I always love these impulse videos where we don't plan anything and it just kind of happens. I feel like when I plan a video out and I plan it to go a certain way and then it doesn't, I just don't have fun with it. So I'd rather do stuff like this where Marco literally hits me up 20 minutes ago and he's like, hey, you want to cut into my head? And I'm like, I'm down, dude. I feel like I have so much more fun doing videos that way, if that makes any sense. We just made it to Marco's house and these are the carbon fiber pieces that he got. So I guess they're not really meant just for your hood. You can put them pretty much anywhere. I think Marco wanted to do them on his front fenders, but it seems a little harder to do that. So I think we're just gonna do them on the hood. But this is what they look like. They're super light too. And the cool thing is I got here and Marco's dad already has a template so that we can just cut and hopefully these fit. So where are you thinking, like right here?
Yeah, right over there.
So like right there somewhere. So this is the template that his dad came up with. So we were gonna do these on the hood, but after further inspection, we realized that this would hit on the intake before the hood even closed all the way. So Marco had a better idea. We could do them right here and they'd actually kind of be functional. Maybe towards the brakes or the intake maybe. But I think this is the flattest spot that we could find where it'll actually work. I don't think we have to.
No, it's just gonna be a top job.
Yeah, the top. And then if you don't want it to rust, we could like paint it, but
do I really care?
But do you care? Does he care, guys? Let's do it. Dude, we can even do it right here. Like, since your car doesn't have AC.
Right here?
Just right here. On the window, bro. Alright, so first up, we have the template on here. I punctured the holes through the template, and now we're just going to Sharpie the holes. Try and get them to see through, hopefully. Alright, there's the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 holes to drill, Marco.
Wait, there's instructions here.
You don't need those. No, what size rivets did you get? Because that's
this. My dad has.
That'll depend on the holes. Did these come with it?
Yeah.
Dude, what
Just
the fuck?
one.
I thought Marco got 2 of these, like to match. That's what I thought we were doing. And I guess it's just one.
I told you. I told you it was gonna be an easy job.
Oh, what the fuck? Alright, I guess, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's why I was confused.
Nah.
I thought we had to do both sides.
Relax, buddies.
Alright, just one, I guess. Here we go. First hole. I don't have safety glasses.
Oh, do you need some?
Dude, all these sick ass tools and you don't have a hammer. Some of you guys probably caught that, but the reason it's not drilling is because it's actually broken. So we need another one of those. We got the right drill bit size. This drill bit not broken. We already tested it on this piece right here just to make sure it's the right size for the rivet. I think this will work. So ready?
Yeah.
Shit, that was easy, bro. Aluminum. There's your first hole. Come on, let's see. Yeah, we'll see. It might be a little small, but we can always drill bigger. We can never go back though. So now that we have the holes drilled, I think they lined up pretty well. Marco's gonna cut on the dotted line here, and that's gonna tell us where we need to cut so that we have this extra little lip right here. And drew it on the car there. Moment of truth part 2. Then we gotta drill this thing out, or cut it out, I mean.
Should I just do it like this?
Just outwards and put the rivets in the other way to get the hot air out.
Yeah. The low air pressure and all that shit.
Alright, let's do it.
Ah, fucking.
This time we will wear some safety goggles. You ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's do it.
Oh my god.
It's almost there, look.
Fuck, dude.
She wrote, brother. Out here ruining Subarus. See you now. You cut around that.
What's that?
What's your bumper clip, bro? So Marco doesn't have a Dremel, which would be ideal for this. I guess we'll try this, dude.
I mean,
fuck. All right, here we go.
anyway.
Marco has this. It's a rotary tool. It's very cheap,
I found
and
it.
I'm scared because I feel like this shit's gonna blow off. But
I now stand like over here.
here we go. Oh God. Luckily, Marco's dad just came back. He's gonna rescue us. I think this, he says this will work. The only thing I don't like about this is it's hard to keep a straight line. Like, I don't have a steady hand. So we're here right now. Hopefully he can get it pretty straight. Dude, we didn't even need a Dremel, bro. We could have just done that. After some slight modification and the help of a Mexican dad, we're finally done.
Look.
Should we show him?
Yeah.
We're gonna put him right here, back here. Here it is. Took a little bit longer than expected, but it came out pretty good. And the fitment isn't too bad. I think right here is a little bit off, but for the shape of the fender and then the carbon fiber piece being so straight, it actually came out pretty good. Dude, it's like how you can see your tire from here. You can't see it on camera. Oh, there it is. Yeah. It does look super random on the car, but let us know what you guys think about it. And to end today's vlog, I actually have some exciting news for you guys. We finally found a shop that is willing to do the wide body kit on the STI. The shop is down in San Jose, which is like 4 hours away from me, which kind of sucks, but I'm just super stoked that we actually found a good shop, a shop that I actually wanted to go to. I did have other shops in mind that were a little closer. 2 of them didn't get back to me, and then 1 of them refused to work on the STI. He just said that, which is understandable. He just said that the car has already been touched by too many people and he just doesn't want to risk, you know, doing it and then he gets blamed for something that he didn't do. Like I said, I get it, I know where he's coming from, but we did find a shop, so we're gonna be heading down to San Jose in the next couple of days. We're gonna tow the car over there. Everything is already set. I'm super excited. It is looking like the car could possibly be done within the time frame that I wanted. Even if it takes like 2-3 months, that's fine with me. As long as I can take it to some car shows this summer, I'll be super stoked. But it is kind of crazy that it's finally heading out after sitting here since like I think November. And also we talked to the body shop and they recommend that I just paint the entire car. At that point, I think it is the best option. I've seen cars that get like the trunk painted or a door painted and they never match the same. So I think it's best if we just go all out and paint the entire car again, make it look really nice. And this time, after we get it painted, I'm for sure gonna do the ceramic coat and all that stuff because I don't want this to happen again. Yeah, a lot of exciting stuff happening. This car going out, Diego's Bugeye getting some work done. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you already got a sneak peek, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you guys thought about Markos carbon fiber piece. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.